In this video, we will cover how to navigate on the run screen of the Ag Leader PF3000 in grain harvest mode. On this screen, we can adjust the swath width in both feet and number of rows. To adjust the swath width in feet, press the up-down directional arrows until the desired footage is shown. To adjust for number of rows, press the right directional arrow. Press the up-down directional arrows until the desired number of rows is present. In this screen, we can also change the field by pressing the field button, the load by pressing the load button. We can hide and show our map by pressing the Hide Showed Map button. We can check our mapping options. If we press the menu button, we can view a summary, calibrate the system, view our setup options, and run diagnostics. In this screen, we can also turn logging on, and we can turn area logging off. We can also view instantaneous yield, average moisture, area, our swath width, average yield, instantaneous moisture, wet weight, wet bushels, dry bushels, area, elevator speed, ground speed, area per hour, grain flow, temperature, distance, GPS info, latitude and longitude coordinates, elevation, compass heading, card info, average moisture, head height, date and time, light bar pass number, field name, load name, and map zoom. We have now covered how to navigate on the run screen of the Ag Leader PF3000. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the homepage.